Hello everyone and welcome. I'm the Retro Repair Guy. So normally I have a show where I'm fixing stuff, but today I'm coming to you from my home theater. We received a lot of donations from some people around us, and so I brought my lovely wife and assistant for today, Sylvia.
Hi, cześć.
And we're going to be going through all the boxes and looking at stuff. So how about we just dive into it? Alright, so our first one's a Commodore 64. This one's been opened. Oh, it's open because there's actually two motherboards inside. Yeah, these are both Commodore 64. This is a Commodore 64 motherboard, and there's a Commodore 64 here with a key missing. So that was a nice little donation. Something we're definitely going to be repairing on the show. Let's see what else we got in there, because there's a lot of Commodore stuff. All right, so this is a little printer, a 1520 printer that we received. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's go look at everything else. Another Commodore 64. Wow, this is a little bit fun because I'm really don't have any parts for the Commodores, and I've been looking for some, so I'm really happy about this one. Again, these have been open, so I'm not sure what's the status of them, but we're definitely going to make a show on that and check it out. But very happy. Another Commodore. This one says 1983, by the way. So let's take a look. Oh boy. All right, so we got a bunch of stuff here. Not sure. Okay, so this is a casing from a VIC-20 that we received. I guess a casing or part of a casing, but I will not throw out anything. All this stuff is gold to me. I'm sure not to my wife. I'm sure she's very happy. But another, the Commodore 64, the more modern one, so at least this is a case cover for it. And again, I will take anything. Oh, this is the VIC-20 motherboard, actually. So it looks like it's a complete unit. This is the bottom of it, the VIC-20 bottom. So it says VIC-20 on here. And this is the motherboard for it. So we got a complete unit here. I don't, maybe the keyboard. Yeah, well, the heat shield, we got heat shields. So that's okay, and screws. So that's already good. And I think I've got the keyboard for it right here. So again, very happy about that, and a wire that seems to be sticking out. Another one here. Oh, and one last, oh, it's a printer. Okay, so we've got a Epson Home Writer 10. It's going to need some retro writing. Obviously, it's been yellowed over the years and stuff, but again, it looks complete. It looks like a complete unit, and very beautiful. Very, very nice. These are the old dot matrix printers. Is there anything in that box? No, so it's all parts for the printers. Okay, so let's put some of this stuff away here. Again, it looks like it's all in pieces, but you know, this is fantastic. I'm sure we have enough to build a couple of computers here, and if we're missing a key on one or anything. So another, looks like a Commodore 64 motherboard. Oh, so we got some software as well, some easy working. The writer, easy working from SpinMaker, the writer. So this is a word processor, I guess, from Commodore 64 word processor. Oh, excuse me. Apple II C2E, Franklin 500, Franklin 2000, Laser 128. So this is actually IBM compatible software. So this is not even for Commodore. For the Apple II, it says, and stuff. So great. Some easy working software. I think we'll put that a little bit separate somewhere here. Oh, nice. A TRS-80 Color 2 computer. And again, looks complete. So that's definitely one project we're going to be doing here. TRS-64K computer. I'm going to give you guys a close-up of this for sure. So, wow, very, very happy again about this. Oh, a floppy drive. This is the 1571, the Commodore 1571 drive. Again, all these, you know, they need some retro writing and everything, but I'm very happy. The units look complete. They don't look damaged. So that's really, really cool. They're heavy. So this one had a modification. Obviously, you can see here. I know that, I forget what they were for, but I know people were modifying them. So this is a 15, This one's a 1541. It seems to be missing the lead here. So again, some kind of modification was done to it. But definitely still in good shape, it looks like. This one says made in Canada. Gandalf Access Series 24EC modem. Now, I'm not even sure if that goes with the Commodore or if that goes with the IBM. But that's all I got on there. I'm going to have to look it up. Oh, a data set. So we've got a C2N data set, model 1530 data set, obviously for Commodore, in the box. Definitely we'll have to try all of these out. Really cool. What else did we get? Oh my, another Commodore it seems, with the cover this time. Oh nice. This one looks like it's in pretty good shape here. Nice Commodore 64. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened or anything, so another one. Very, very happy. Thank you to everybody, by the way, who sent us this stuff. I know that they might be watching now. This one, another 1541 unit without any modifications whatsoever. Again, it's been yellowed like crazy. Really going to need some big retro brighting on this. But this one says something fan. So I'm not sure if maybe the fan is defective or anything, but another great unit. Back to the Future. So this is for Commodore 64. Back to the Future for Commodore 64. Wow, I'm really, really happy. So the cassette is missing, but the the floppy disk is in here, 1986. And it really looks like it's good shape. Actually, it doesn't even look like it's ever been opened. Unfortunately, the cassette is missing, so I think it came with both. The instruction leaflet is here. So very happy again about that. The box looks like it's in pretty good shape. Very, very happy. Oh, nice. This is a TRS-80 model 100 portable computer. Really nice, actually. It just looks like it's missing the battery compartment, but something was glued onto here. Not sure what it was. Really nice. I can't wait to try this one, actually. And again, this will make for another show. Definitely something we're going to repair. And by the way, if any of you want to see any of this stuff repaired, please put a comment in the comments below. Let me know if there's anything that you really want to see restored in here or done, and I will gladly get on it first. Another Smart Modem 1200. So let's open this one up. So we've got the books. It's a really good. Smart Modem from Hayes, a Smart Modem 1200. And again, looks like in really great shape, this one. Quite a heavy unit, this one. And I've got the power supply to go with it. Get the power supply, and everything seems to be in the box with the book. So wow, these are really, really nice items we're getting here. Wow, I'm super, super duper happy about this. Let's go look at what else we've got. Another Commodore. So funny enough, yes, I know she's really thrilled about this because it's like, there goes the home theater, right? You know, it's funny because I'm looking at this label. I don't know if anybody can leave me a comment. I have no idea why this label is different, as well as the 64 here. So I'm not sure if it's any, because I'm used to these, right? These old models, like, you know, these kind of labels like that from Commodore. That's all I owned when I was a kid. And again, another one here, you can see the labels like this. So why is this one completely different from what I can see? I actually, believe it or not, this is my first time seeing a label like that. I'm not sure if anybody, I'll try to give you a close-up on that if you can't see it, but the 64 is different. And I know they made these. I actually owned one of these as well, the you know, kind of newer model 64 there, but I never saw one of these. So if anybody knows, can you please leave me a comment down below? And I'm curious. It still says, you know, nothing. I'm not sure if this was released in Europe or anything else, but anyways, really nice. And again, a complete unit, just a key missing. We have more stuff in there?
Just
joystick, an IBM joystick. Really nice. These are really dirty, by the way, so.
Seems like fun.
Oh yeah, exactly. I know.
I don't know how much. I know. Those
Well,
are pieces from.
they're shields. I mean, see, like this looks like for holding the printer. These are for holding the printer, and these are the heat shields that goes inside the computers. So we got a couple of paddles for Commodore paddles. Wow, this is really nice, and they well. Anyways, first glance they look like they're in good shape as well. Definitely some more cables. Oh, so a couple of them here. We got a fast load cartridge for the Commodore 64. So I got a fast load cartridge, and I got a Pinball Spectacular 64.
I guess that is tape for the printer.
Oh yeah, so we got some paper for the printer.
That's it.
And we got a cover for the printer. Okay, so wow, that's it.
Happy?
What's that thing?
Just the cover.
Oh, another cover. Oh, that's the cover from before? Or is there another? No, we have two covers.
Another cover.
Oh, so we got two Commodore 64 covers, it seems. Very, very nice. And another heat shield in there. All right, so really, really nice. And if there's anything that you want to see me fix, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you again to the people who donated this. I know they're watching right now. And thank you to my lovely wife. I really appreciate you helping me. I really do. Thank you. And I know it doesn't make her too happy, but it makes a lot of people happy when I fix this stuff. And it's part of our nostalgia, but it's also part of history, and it's nice to fix. So I'll have a full episode out by the end of the week. Hopefully you'll come and join us. And thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.